So here's my new car hater segment of looking for cars on Facebook Marketplace. Actually, a real favorite of mine.
Battery brought this bitch back to life. Now I just need fucking some fucking bolts for the sides and shit.
Can you imagine? Like, dude, what are you doing? You know what? I should just buy this to get it away from this guy. It's that bad. It's a shame what has happened to these beautiful cars and the hands that they get into. That's the real issue. Look at these fucking photos. Utterly disgusting. It truly is. These seats are toast. My favorite, but not a big deal. You know, I'll just switch the top. Probably put a red top on here to match that disgusting tampon interior. That's easy. Probably buff that out. Yep, they all do that. Now, here's the real problem. See that? That's water damage. A lot of that in the rear. What that means is it most likely needs a CCM. And, you know, that's where the real fun begins. All right, 340 horsepower, take it. It's a steal, fully restored, and you'll make triple what you pay for this gem. I don't think so. Has a small coolant leak. Oh boy. Power steering line and pump. It needs brakes. Actually, you spelled brakes correctly. Most likely a tune-up, but more simply maintenance. As you know how to work on these Audis, it shouldn't be an issue. This spec is one of 150 Audis like this in the U.S. Very rare trim. Oh yeah, how does he know that? Did he contact Audi with the VIN and figure that all out? I'm just a little curious. Bloody interior, factory and carbon fiber trim. Actually, the carbon fiber really didn't look that bad, but then again, his photos really do suck. And this is Quattro as well. Just curious what people are offering. Clean title and possibly can work with the numbers if you're actually serious about it. Yeah. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, okay. This is a car. This is something I want to buy off someone. This is great. You know what I mean? Like, dude, what is going on? Only 106,000 miles. Here's what the problem is. Trying to find these red seats is pretty difficult. Trying to find the seats in general is a little difficult that are all good. I have sourced a couple cars, but, you know, it's slim pickings. The other problem is that the A4 interior is not the same. Very close. You just don't have the black piping on the seats. So I probably wouldn't go red again. I've actually seen some silver interiors. Yeah, the carbon fiber is not looking bad. Problem is the power steering pump. That's a big job. And the coolant leak could be the front little radiator down here. Not sure why this front is off. Probably somebody did work. It's missing the grill. You know, it's just a basket case. I can fix all that. That's not that bad. I don't know. It's interesting. You know, I look at it in a couple different ways. Like, let me save this from this idiot, or I'm just giving myself another nightmare. The other issue is not really sure how the paint is on this side. Kind of hard to tell with this photo. Kind of looks faded. He does not have a photo really. There's a photo there, but now the door is open. You know what I mean? I'm not sure if that front fender and door was hit and resprayed. You know what I mean? So these are things I look at on good old Facebook Marketplace, The Car Hater.